Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. Remember, if you enjoy this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. One of the things I got my 9-year-old son for Christmas last year was a Gravitrax set. Now, for those of you who don't know what Gravitrax is, it's basically a kind of interactive marble run that allows you to design and build your own tracks down which the marbles can run. It's quite an entertaining game. Sadly, when we unpacked this particular Gravitrax set, it was missing 3 very small but crucial components. So I then had to spend much of the next month writing emails and making phone calls and chasing up the shop we'd bought the set from and the manufacturers, trying to get hold of these elusive missing parts. They finally arrived with us last week, and when I handed them to my son, a boy who's not famous for his enthusiastic use of the word thank you, I said to him, as I handed them over, there you go, never let it be said that I don't try. We often use never let it be said to emphasise the opposite of the statement that then follows. It's a kind of ironic thing to do. For example, recently, a German friend of mine sent me an email that made me laugh out loud. I responded how funny I'd found it, and he responded by saying, never let it be said that the Germans don't have a sense of humour. In the same way, a friend of yours might cook some really spicy food, maybe some, jerk chicken with spicy Jamaican sauce or something. And when they give it to you and you bite into it and your mouth starts burning, they might laugh and say, hey, never let it be said that I don't spice my food. You do also sometimes hear people say, let it never be said that. Okay? So, maybe you go out on a Tuesday night and you only plan to have a couple of drinks, but you end up staying out till closing time at the pub, and then you go on to some disco somewhere and you crawl home at 3 o'clock in the morning. You wake up on the Wednesday feeling like death warmed up. You go into work and your friends laugh at you, but you respond by saying, hey, let it never be said that I don't know how to party. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps other people find out about what we do. Share it with your friends, your colleagues and your students. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see some examples of how you think you could use never let it be said that.